The school district of Philadelphia is by far the largest district in the country with the worst ratio of students to librarians. Now we are down to one full-time equivalent librarian for the district's 217 schools and 114,000 students. In 1991, the district had 176 librarians. And as school librarians started to retire from district schools, those positions then just didn't get filled. They just disappeared. And that's part of the issue here in Philly is there haven't been librarians in so long that people don't know what they're missing. So you're missing somebody who can instruct kids. Librarians are teachers. In Pennsylvania, they are certified educators. And so you're missing out on people who can instruct kids on how to find information, how to evaluate information, and also just enjoy reading. I mean, that's a big piece of it too, is that people have lots of warm and fuzzy stories about their school librarians, turning them on to reading. And that's a big piece, especially with our younger kids and what they're missing out. For older kids without school librarians, they're not learning how to be good consumers of digital media. They're just not. That's a big part of what librarians do nowadays is teach kids how to research online, how to determine whether sources are valid or not, and how to figure out how to analyze that information. And our high school kids aren't getting that at all. They're just not getting it. That's where PARSL comes in. We are very interested in working with the district to try to develop a strategic plan to start restoring school librarian positions to district schools. The reason why we exist is to ensure equity. This is a fundamental issue of equity. If you go to Cheltenham, if you go to Wissahickon, Upper Dublin, Tredyffrin, Easttown, any of these suburban school districts, and you see what the libraries look like with full-time certified librarians, you would be appalled that the school district of Philadelphia students are not receiving any of those services. We are all volunteer run. If anybody would like to help out, we need your support. If you Google or you go on Facebook and you search for Philadelphia Alliance to Restore School Librarians, you can find us there. Please join our Facebook page because we believe every child in Philadelphia has the right to a school librarian.